The book I'd like to read today is called Animal Babies in Polar Lands. Polar is usually where there's lots of snowy areas, kind of like in the Polar Express. Let's see who this book is by. See if it has an author. I'm not seeing an author listed here, but if I come over here, I could probably find the author listed on this other page. In really little print. It's called Jennifer Schofield is the author. Animal Babies in Polar Lands. In this book, I am going to give you some clues, and you are trying to guess who the baby belongs to. So here's the first page. I have flippers instead of legs. They help me swim very quickly in cold water. Who is my mommy? Take a guess in your head. My mommy is a harp seal, and I am her pup. My fur is soft and white, but my mommy's fur is sleek and brown. Here's another clue. I have pointy ears that stick straight up. They help me hear sounds that are far away. Who is my mommy? Take a guess in your head. My mommy is a wolf, and I am her pup. I like to play when it is sunny, but my mom likes to rest. Here's another clue. My beak is black and very sharp. I use it to catch fish when I am hungry. Who is my mommy? Take a guess. Well, this might be a new word. My mommy is an albatross, and I am her chick. I stay in the nest with my mom until I can fly. Here's another one. I have pads under my hooves. They are like snowshoes and stop me from slipping on the ice. Who is my mommy? Remember, it's a polar animal. Make a guess. My mommy is a caribou. Caribou is another name for reindeer. And I am her fawn. In the summer, our coats are brown, but in the winter, they turn gray. Here's another clue. I have two big flippers on each side of my body. I use my flippers to dive in and out of the icy water. Who is my mommy? I think I know this one. Take a guess. My mommy is a penguin, and I am her chick. We are birds, but we cannot fly. Instead, we shuffle along on the cold ice. Here's another clue. I have rows of whiskers on my chubby face. They look just like a mustache. Who is my mommy? Take a guess. My mommy is a walrus, and I am her cub. Our fat keeps us warm when it is freezing cold, because it gets cold in the polar regions. And here is the last clue. I am the biggest of all of the polar animals. I have thick, white fur that keeps me warm. Who is my mommy? Take a guess. I'm sure you'll get it. My mommy is a polar bear, and I am her cub. In the winter, we sleep in a den under the snow. And that is the book with the title Animal Babies in Polar Lands. Hope you enjoyed it.